Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a brown smoky eye makeup look. This is my go-to makeup look, especially for my clients who don't normally wear makeup. If you want to learn how to achieve this look, keep on watching. Today we'll be using the Morphe Second Nature palette in number 3502. This is one of my favorite palettes. I love this palette so much. It has literally all the shades I could think of. So you guys are probably wondering, how many shades of brown am I really going to use? But I promise this is the last shade, and it is the darkest shade. And so as it being the darkest shade, I'm only going to keep this shade on the eyelid. I do not carry the darker shade up into the crease. We want to keep it only on the eyelid and blend it downwards so that it stays there. Now that we've finished the eye makeup, we're gonna go into the face, starting with the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. So before we get into the face makeup, I just wanted to clarify that I do clean the top of the brows, and I clean the brows with a foundation. Today I decided to use the DIOR Backstage foundation. This foundation is my favorite foundation. I'm using shade 6W, and this foundation is medium coverage. With all the questions that I get about which brushes do I use or which brushes do I prefer, I'm going to put it out there that my favorite brushes, mainly face brushes, are by Real Techniques. I also love e.l.f. Cosmetics brushes, Stila, and Morphe. This right here is my baby. This is the Sephora Make No Mistake Foundation and Concealer Stick. I'm using shade Mahogany, and I always use this for contouring. Even though it's a foundation stick, I only use it as a contour stick. So I like to use the same foundation brush when blending my contour. This gives me a balance and it allows for the contour to not look so harsh. One of the biggest mistakes people make with makeup is they drag the product on the face. You need to make sure that you're blending the product, and how you do that is by pressing the product into the skin. So I'm pressing the contour into her skin exactly like how I pressed the foundation into her skin. This is going to give us a skin-like finish. It's going to look flawless and properly blended. Another tip is to set the face, so a dewy setting spray preferably. In the process of blending, this allows for the product to not dry up, and it allows for the product to work into the skin. You guys, this is my favorite setting powder. I love this setting powder so much. This is the SACHA Buttercup setting powder. I purchased this on Amazon and I've been using this for years now. I can't tell you how long I've been using it for, but this is the GOAT. This is my favorite and I definitely recommend this setting powder. We're going in with the Sephora Micro Smooth Finishing Powder in shade Fonts Deep. This is going to bring the warmth back into her skin, and I am using the Morphe tapered brush in M180. Now going in with my Morphe Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer. This is in the shade Phenom. This is going to give her a soft bronzed finish. Going in with the Juvia's Place Volume 1 blush palette. I don't normally use this palette, but I decided to give it a try for this look. And look how beautiful it looks next to her skin. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in Molten Gold. This is definitely one of my favorite highlighters, especially if you're looking for something on a budget. I bought this highlighter at my nearest Walmart. Definitely a must-have. Now to warm up the under eye, we're going to go back in with the Morphe Second Nature palette, and I'm going to use one of the transition colors. These are my babies. This is Lash Style Tees, and this is from my lash collection. You guys can check the description box below and you will see where you can purchase these lashes. I hope you guys love them because I am obsessing. Now that we've finished applying the lip liner, we're going to go in with the NYX Lip Lingerie. This is a matte lipstick and I'm using the shade Push Up. I'm also going to top it with the shade Baby Doll. These two colors together are beautiful. It gives us this perfect nude yet pink undertone. If you love a glossy lip the way I do, you're going to love this lip gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. This is the completed look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.